Dear student, today's topic is cubes and cube roots. First, cube of a number. For a given number x, for a given number x cube equal to x into x into x. So this is the cube of a number x. This is the cube, product of these three numbers, same number, is the cube of x. Example, 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. So 125 is the cube of 5. One more, 10 to the power 3, 10 cube equal to 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1000. So 1000 is the cube of a number 10. So 1000 is equal to cube of 10. Now, perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. A natural number is said to be a cube of a number if the number is a cube of some natural number. Example, 5 cube equal to 125. So 125 is a perfect cube. 3 cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27. So 27 is also a perfect cube. 12 cube equal to 12 into 12 into 12 equal to 1728. So this is also, that means 1728 is also a perfect cube. Next, cube roots. Now 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. That means cube of 2 is equal to 8. So 2 to the power 3, 2 cube equal to 8. That is why cube root of 8, this is the cube root sign, this is cube root sign, cube root of 8 equal to 2. One more, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 cube equal to 125. So cube root of 125, cube root sign of 125 is equal to 5. So cube root of 8 equal to 2 and cube root of 125 equal to 5. This one. Therefore, the cube root of a number x is that number whose cube is the given x. Cube is given x, gives x. That means the cube root of a number x is that number whose cube gives x. So cube root of x denoted by, this is the cube root sign of x. Exercise 4a from R.S. Agarwal. Evaluate 8 cube. So 8 cube equal to 8 into 8 into 8. So product of this number equal to 512. So 8 cube equal to 512. Roman 3. 21 cube. Cube of 21 equal to 21 into 21 into 21 equal to 9261. So product of these three number equal to 9261. So cube of 21 equal to 9261. Evaluate 1.2 whole to the power 3. This is 2 Roman 1. So 1.2 whole to the power 3 equal to 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 equal to 1.728. So cube of 1.2 is equal to 1.728. 0.05 whole to the power 3 is equal to 0.05 into 0.05 into 0.05 is equal to 0.000125. So this number is the cube of 0.05. Question number 3. Evaluate 1 by 15 whole to the power 3. So 1 by 15 whole to the power 3 equal to 1 by 15 into 1 by 15 into 1 by 15 equal to 1 into 1 into 1. In the numerator it is 1. In the denominator 15 into 15 into 15 is equal to 3375. So 1 by 15 whole to the power 3 equal to 1 by 3375. Question number 4. Which of the following numbers are the perfect cube? In case of perfect cube, find the number whose cube is the given number. Whose cube is the given number? So 125 is the given number. So after prime factorization, 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 5 to the power 3. Therefore, 125 is equal to 5 to the power 3. So 125 is a perfect cube and 125 is the cube of 5. Roman 4. Given number is 256. So 256 is equal to, after prime factorization, it is a prime factorization. So 2 into 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 2. So 256 equal to 2 into 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 2. So 256 cannot be expressed as a perfect product of triples. So 256 is not a perfect cube. Roman 7. 5324. So prime factorization of 5324 equal to 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. So this cannot be expressed as a product of triples. So this is not a perfect cube. Question number 5. Which of the following are the cubes of even number? So 216 is an even number. So now the prime factorization of 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 equal to 2 into 3 whole to the power 3. Same exponent. So 2 into 3 whole to the power 3 equal to 6 to the power 3. 2 3 is 6. So 6 to the power 3 here. So 216 equal to 6 to the power 3. So 216 is the cube of an even number. 216 is cube of 6. So 6 is an even number. So 216 is the cube of an even number. Roman 3. 212 is an even number. So this is 212 is the cube of an even number because this is an even number. Question number 6. Which of the following are the cube of odd number? Here 125, 343, 9261 are the odd number. So these are the cube of odd number. These are the odd number, so it is cube of odd number. Question number 7. Find the smallest number by which 1323 must be multiplied so that the perfect product is a perfect cube. So given number is 1323. So 1323, the prime factorization of 1323 is equal to 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So clearly to make a perfect cube it must be multiplied by 7. So one more 7 is required to triple, to make it triple. 3 7. Already 3 3s are there, but 1 7 is short. So to make it perfect cube, multiply this number by 1 more 7. So to make it perfect cube, it must be multiplied by 7. Next, question number 9. What is the smallest number by which 1600 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? So the given number is 1600 and the prime factorization of 1600 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So to make it perfect square, it must be divided by 5 into 5 because 1 5 is short to make it triple. But here the condition is by what least number must be divided. So if we divide this whole number by 25, then these two 5 are removed. So then the product is, then the remainder is, then the quotient after divide this number by 25, the quotient is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So to make it perfect cube, it must be divided by 5 into 5 equal to 25. Cube root of a negative perfect cube. Negative perfect cube number. So let y be a positive integer. So minus y is a negative integer. Now minus y whole to the power 3 equal to minus y into minus y into minus y, that is equal to minus y to the power 3. Now minus y equal to cube root of minus y to the power 3. So this is the cube root of negative integer. So example, cube root of minus 512. Minus 512 is a negative integer. So it is equal to minus cube root of 512. So that is equal to the prime factorization of 512 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are the prime factorization. So minus prime factorization 512 equal to 2 into 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 2. So this is equal to minus 2 into 2 into 2. What these 3 2's, this 1 2 comes out, but for these 3 2's 1 of the 2 comes out, and for this one here, so 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, so minus 8. So cube root of minus 512 equal to minus 8. Next, exercise 4b. Find the value of 25 whole to the power 3 using shortcut method. So here the number is 25. So let a equal to 2 and b equal to 5. And these are the 4 column. First column a cube, second column 3a square b, third column 3ab square, and fourth column b cube. Now put the value of a, that is 2 cube, equal to 8. Now put the value of a and b, that is 2 and 5. So 3 into 2 square into 5, that is equal to 60. Here also put the value of a and b, that is 3 into 2 into 5 square, which is equal to 150. And b cube equal to 5 cube, 125. Now put a mark just below the ones place digit 5, then carry 12. So 150 plus 12, 162. So put a mark just below ones place digit 2 and 16 carry here. So 60 plus 16, 76. So put a mark just below the ones place digit 6 and 7 carry. So 8 plus 7, 15. So put this mark. So 25 whole to the power 3 equal to 15, 6, 2, 5. 15, 6, 2, 5. That is 15,625. This is the process. Exercise 4c. Find the cube root of 64. So cube root of 64 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. So it is equal to 4. So cube root of 64 equal to 4. Cube root of 1725. The prime factorization of 1725 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 12. So cube root of 1728 equal to 12. Question number 6. Cube root of 4096. So prime factorization 4000, prime factorization of 4096 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, the product of 12 2's, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So cube root of 4096 equal to 16. Question number 11. Cube root of minus 1331. So prime factorization of it is equal to cube root of a negative integer equal to minus cube root of positive integer. So minus cube root of 1331, its prime factorization is 11 into 11 into 11. So answer is minus 11. So cube root of minus 1331 equal to minus 11. 13. Question number 13. Cube root of 125 by 216 is equal to cube root of 125 divided by cube root of 216. So prime factorization of 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5, and prime factorization of 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So after this, the next line is 5 by 2 into 3, that is 5 by 6. So cube root of 125 by 216 is equal to 5 by 6. Thank you.